let's see how to download Zara app on your Android device. First, unlock your Android device and head to the Google Play Store. This is where you will find all your trusted apps. Next, tap onto the search bar and type Zara. Now just tap onto the install. The app will begin downloading. Once it's done, you will see an open button appear. Tap open and you are in. You can now browse Zara's latest collection, shop deals, and even track orders all from your phone. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.